Are you an enterprise client or a business owner struggling to understand how to use AI securely and privately? You're not alone. Many businesses are worried that public AI tools like ChatGPT could expose their sensitive data, posing a risk to their enterprise information. What if you could have complete control over your AI while keeping it private within your company? Imagine training a model specifically tailored to your business needs without relying on third-party services. That's where private, open source AI models come in, like the powerful Llama 3.1. And with Hugging Face, managing and sharing our fine-tuned model will be a breeze. It's like having a super easy toolkit for making sure your model gets integrated smoothly into whatever you need. In this video, we'll show you how to fine-tune an open source AI model like Llama 3.1 for your specific business and field of knowledge. Fine-tuning is key to making your AI private, secure, and fully equipped to handle information unique to your organization. Here's where it gets interesting. We'll use the QuadQA dataset from the Atticus project, which is packed with over 500 legal documents like contracts and agreements. This will help us train our model to handle tasks like generating and analyzing contracts efficiently. We're going to do all this using Google Colab, which is a free online tool. We'll connect to a free T4 GPU to speed things up. And to make things even faster, we'll use Unslack, which can speed up training by up to 30 times. Here's how we're going to tackle it. First, we'll connect to Google Colab and select the free T4 GPU from the drop-down menu under Change Runtime Type. This will give us a nice speed boost. Next up, we'll load the Llama 3.1 model and set it up with our dataset, making sure it runs smoothly. We'll then format the dataset into prompts that the model can easily learn from. Once everything's in place, we'll kick off the training process. After it's done, we'll convert the model into GGUF format, which makes it easy to run locally using Olama. Finally, we'll upload the model to Hugging Face. This way, it's saved online, ready for others to access and for us to continue developing. Ready to revolutionize how you handle legal documents. Fine-tuning the Llama 3.1 model to your specific needs can save you time, boost efficiency, and provide tailored solutions for contract generation and analysis. Imagine having a powerful, customized tool at your fingertips, making complex legal tasks a breeze. Want to learn more about how this can benefit your business? Reach out to Tetranoodle Technologies today. Our team of experts is here to guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you get the most out of your AI solutions. Contact us now to explore the endless possibilities and take your legal operations to the next level.